Alright, so this is a rare day where there's no work going on at the construction site. Plus there's like hardly anyone on the field. There's no maintenance going on at the field. Pretty much an empty parking lot. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to go check this out. You'll see how it's coming along. This is what's coming. Dang, it's coming soon. Community building. Might be too muddy. Here's a little trailer. That's really cool. They use these things as a little office for construction. I never knew that. See if we can get a peek inside. Nothing in there. Done a good job with the gravel here, but let's see how. That's not bad. That'll be really wet. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Now, DNR said maybe free tools. I can't imagine getting out of here without picking up something for free. I think I'll try to make it over to my view over here. I used to walk up. See, it's all leveling off process. Blackberries. Remember this? This is the overlook. That's where I would go up right there. It's a little too wet to go around, not very safe, so that's as far as I'm gonna make it today, guys. But this is what it looks like. Very eerie today, especially with the skies. What do you think?